Get the whole podcast experience all in one package. The Talent All-in-One Home Broadcast Studio not only comes with an amazing microphone comparable to that of many high-end USB mics, but it also includes a multitude of other accessories that will make you a pro overnight. A shock mount and windscreen will keep excess noise out of your final production. And an amazing adjustable boom arm will allow you to set your microphone wherever you need it to be. Broadcast your voice all over the internet with the Talent All-in-One Home Broadcast Studio. Get it now, right here at Parts Express.